Best AI productivity tools. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we work. AI productivity tools help individuals and businesses work faster, stay organized, automate repetitive tasks, and improve daily workflows. These tools can assist with writing, scheduling, research, communication, project management, data analysis, and much more. Whether you're a business owner, entrepreneur, trainer, marketer, educator, or office professional, AI productivity tools can help you save time and focus on higher value work. The goal of AI is not to replace people. Instead, it acts as a digital assistant that helps you work smarter, improve efficiency, and make better decisions. Let's explore some of the best AI productivity tools available today. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most versatile AI productivity tools available today. It can help you write documents, brainstorm ideas, conduct research, analyze information, create content, plan projects, and solve problems. It is widely used by students, professionals, marketers, consultants, and business owners. Best for writing, research, content creation, planning, problem solving. Number 2. Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot integrates artificial intelligence directly into Microsoft 365. It works with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, helping users create documents, analyze spreadsheets, prepare presentations, summarize emails, and improve productivity. Best for business productivity. Microsoft 365 users. Office automation. Business documents. Number 3. Notion AI. Notion AI combines note-taking, document management, project organization, and AI assistance in one platform. It helps users write documents, summarize information, organize knowledge, and collaborate more effectively with teams. Best for knowledge management, project organization, team collaboration, AI-powered notes. Number 4. Google Gemini. Google Gemini provides AI assistance across Google's ecosystem. It helps users create documents, draft emails, conduct research, generate ideas, and improve productivity within Google Workspace. Best for Google Workspace, research, email writing, productivity. Number 5. Grammarly AI. Grammarly AI goes beyond grammar checking. It helps users improve writing quality, rewrite sentences, adjust tone, enhance clarity, and create more professional communication. It is widely used by students, professionals, and businesses around the world. Best for grammar checking, professional writing, editing, email communication. Number 6. Zapier AI. Zapier AI focuses on workflow automation. It connects thousands of business applications, allowing repetitive tasks to run automatically without manual work. Businesses use Zapier AI to automate marketing, sales, customer support, data management, and many other workflows. Best for workflow automation, business processes, app integration, productivity. What can AI productivity tools do? Modern AI productivity tools can perform many everyday business tasks, automate repetitive work, create and summarize documents, manage emails and communications, organize meetings and schedules, analyze data and generate insights, create reports and business documents, improve team collaboration, support knowledge management. How businesses can use AI productivity tools. Businesses of every size can benefit from AI productivity software. Common business applications include email management, meeting summaries, content creation, business research, strategic planning, customer communication. AI productivity tools for entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs often manage marketing, sales, operations, finance, customer service, and business growth. AI productivity tools can serve as virtual assistants by helping with creating business plans, writing marketing content, preparing customer communications, analyzing competitors, creating social media posts, generating new business ideas. Best practices for using AI productivity tools. Use AI to automate repetitive tasks while focusing your own time on strategic thinking. Write clear prompts to achieve better results. Always review AI-generated content before using it professionally. Protect confidential business information. Integrate AI into your existing workflow instead of using random tools without a clear purpose. Artificial intelligence is becoming an essential productivity partner for businesses and professionals. The most successful people will combine AI with their own experience, creativity, critical thinking, and decision-making skills. By using AI wisely, you can work smarter, save valuable time, and achieve better results in your business and daily work.